Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some cookies. I want to make some salted caramel cookies and some brownie cookies. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
In a pot over low heat, add in 1 cup of sugar, a half a cup of water, cook until the sugar has dissolved. Do not stir throughout this. Once the sugar has dissolved, add in 56 grams of butter and whisk until the ingredients are well combined. Then allow to cook for a further 10 to 15 minutes or until the mixture is a deep golden color. Do not stir throughout this process. Remove from the heat and add in a half a cup of cream. Mix until everything is well combined. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix to combine. Allow this mixture to cool down completely. In a bowl with 3 tablespoons of butter, add in 4 tablespoons brown sugar and mix until well combined. Then add in 1 egg yolk and mix to combine. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add a half a cup of flour. A 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. And a pinch of salt. Mix until everything is well combined. Add in a 1/4 cup of cooled caramel. And a 1/4 cup of white chocolate chips. Mix to combine. Spoon onto a prepared baking tray. Make sure you spread the cookies out since these cookies spread while baking. Place in the fridge for 30 minutes, then place into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. You should end up with cookies that have a crispy edge and a soft center. In a bowl with 100 grams of dark chocolate and 100 grams of milk chocolate, add in 125 grams of butter, and melt this over a double boiler. Continue to mix until a smooth and shiny mixture forms. In a bowl with 2 eggs, add in 100 grams of caster sugar and 80 grams of light brown sugar. Mix for 5 minutes or until pale in color. In a bowl, add in 130 grams of flour, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix to combine. Add in the cooled chocolate mixture, and mix to combine. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Then, with a spatula, mix to incorporate all the dry ingredients. Spoon batter onto prepared baking tray. Make sure to spread out since these cookies do spread out while baking. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. When these cookies come out, they will be puffed up, but allow them to cool and they will sink. These cookies should have a crispy edge and a gooey center. Enjoy!